Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn on noise cancellation on Beat Solo 3. Beat Solo 3 headphones do not have active noise cancellation technology, which use microphones to actively cancel out external noise. Instead, they have passive noise isolation, which means the headphones are designed to physically block out external noise by creating a seal around your ears. This can still significantly reduce external noise and improve your listening experience, but it may not be as effective as active noise cancellation in louder environments like planes or busy streets. There is no way to turn on or off noise cancellation on the Beat Solo 3 as it does not have ANC technology.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.